Let's go through LeetCode 2096 step-by-step directions from a binary tree node to another. They give us a binary tree with root in a start value and a destination value. And we have three moving um, directions from that is left, right, and up. And we want to start from the start value to the destination value. We want to find the path. You see that those kind of values in the tree are unique. So let's look at the example, right? So for example, if we have a tree like this one, right? And if the start is here and the destination is here, what we want is up, and a right, right? So how can you do this kind of question? We can use a DFS to find the root, a path from the root to value, right? And so if we know the path, for example, that is from to start, that is for example, that is left, right, left, right, right, and also the route to destination, for example, are left, then right, right. Then we'll say this one will be the common accessor, right? So this is start. For the start, what we need to do is that we need from here going up and going up, right? And then we append this part to our path. That is the result, right? So up, there, left, right. So this will be our result. So as per we talked about, we need write a DFS to get a path from the root to any value, right? So we can write DFS tree node and node, right? We want to find a value, and we are going to use the intermediate path. We use the list of character as a path, so called path, and list of character as a result. We have two variables because for the path, it will have backtracking, right? So it will change, and only when we find the node value equals this value, we'll have a deep copy of the path to the final result, right? So what we do is that if this kind of node dot value equals value, then we're going to have result at all pass and return, right? So what we say is if node dot left done equal to null, and then DFS it's left, right? Going to its left. So if going to its left, we're going to have pass add this kind of left char. And also we need to pass remove pass dot size minus one, right? The last one. And DFS node dot left and value and pass and result, right? So if node dot right done good to now, right? Then we DFS it to its right. So pass should add this kind of right direction, right? So DFS node dot right and the value pass result. We should backtrack, right? So pass remove pass dot size minus one. So we are going to have two paths coming out, right? So we're going to have this character, which is start result equals new array list. And also destination result equals new array list, right? So we DFS this kind of route, DFS route to start value, and we need an intermediate, right? Path new array list, and we need a start a path route start value, those compact for the start value, right? So also we need a root destination value, and we have an intermediate path, and we're going to have a destination result, right? So if we're doing this to DFS, we can try to find its common accessor, right? So what we do is that we get an index equals 0. So for this kind of index smaller than mass dot mean, SR dot size, and ER dot size, right? And that means that if this kind of SR dot get index doesn't equal to DR dot get index, then we break, right? So in the end, how can we compose the result? So for example, what we get is already the start values. This kind of index is from the common accessor, right? So for this one, we should all change it to up. And the end one, we start from this index. We'll just keep those kind of left, right, append to our results, right? So let's use a stream builder. Stream builder SB equals new stream builder. So what we do is that for int I equals index I smaller than SR dot size I plus plus, then we'll have stream builder append this will always be up, and we are going to for int I equals index I smaller than destination dot size I plus plus, then we're going to stream builder append dr dot get I, right? In the end, we just return stream builder to string. Find the symbol int I 23. And the Python code is very similar. Let's write a Python code for this as well. So let's write a DFS first. We are going to have a node, which is a tree node, and we'll have a value, which is an int. And we're going to have path, which is a list, and the result is also a list. So what we are going to do is that if a node dot value, node dot value equals value, right? Let's change this to value. Then we're going to result it's 10 pass and return. So if we know the dot left is not none, right? Then we're going to have pass append this kind of left, and also pass dot top. And we need a DFS, it's left DFS node dot left, and value as result. So I say if it's if node dot right is not none, right? As append this kind of right, and DFS node dot right, and the value and the pass and the results. And also we need a backtrack. Oh. So in our main function, right? So we are going to have the source result, destination result has two lists, and DFS root source value, start value, and intermediate path and the source result, and also DFS root destination value, intermediate path, and destination result, right? So what do? We need to find the common accessor first. Index equals 0. So while this kind of index is smaller than main length XR length DR, okay, and SR index equals DR index. Then we're going to have an index should plus equal to 1, right? So what do we return? In Python, you can write it like this: return you multiple by length SR minus index. And plus this one, we just need to join the rest part, right? Join dr from index to the end. This is a root, not a node. And node. Invalid syntax, tree node. Tree node. Where is the DFS? Int. Path is list, result is list. That def, right? So the DFS, right? So this kind of DFS function is ON, right? The worst case will be it will be to find traversal, to traverse every node to find those kind of values. So this is ON time complexity, right? And for the space, we have also and we DFS uh, the depend on the tree how many times, right? So if it is kind of balanced, it will be the log h times. And we have also the pass, right? This kind of pass actually, and it will also from the root to this kind of value. So this is also linear, right? So the worst case will be the ON, and if it is kind of balanced, it will be the OH for the space.